Slider window installation in Knoxville is a popular choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows. With the rise of energy-efficient slider windows in Knoxville, residents are increasingly opting for vinyl slider windows to enhance their homes. These windows not only improve the aesthetic appeal but also contribute to significant window energy savings. Knoxville window installation experts are well versed in providing custom slider windows tailored to meet the specific needs of each home. Energy-efficient windows are a crucial component of modern homes, offering substantial window energy savings. Knoxville window energy efficiency is a top priority for many residents, and double-pane windows are a popular choice. These windows provide excellent insulation, reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Knoxville window insulation services ensure that homes remain warm in the winter and cool in the summer, maximizing energy efficiency. Slider windows Knoxville are also a great option for improved insulation and energy performance. Window frame replacement is an essential service for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Knoxville window installation services offer comprehensive solutions, including window frame replacement and window glass installation. These services are vital for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Professional window replacement in Knoxville guarantees that your windows are installed correctly and function optimally, including with Slider Windows Knoxville. Double-pane slider windows in Knoxville are a preferred option for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. Window noise reduction in Knoxville is a significant benefit of these windows, providing a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Knoxville window noise reduction services focus on minimizing external noise, making your home a tranquil retreat. Slider windows Knoxville are perfect for homeowners who want both functional and quiet living spaces. Vinyl slider windows are a popular choice for residential slider window replacement in Knoxville. These windows are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Affordable window services in Knoxville offer competitive pricing for vinyl window replacement, ensuring that homeowners can upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Knoxville Window Upgrade Solutions provide a range of options to suit different budgets and preferences, including Slider Windows Knoxville. Window glass installation is a critical service for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Knoxville Window Installation Services specialize in window glass installation, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition. Whether it's a minor crack or a complete replacement, Knoxville window installation experts have the skills and experience to handle any issue, including for Slider Windows Knoxville. Custom window solutions are available for homeowners seeking unique window designs. Knoxville window design experts offer personalized consultations to create custom slider windows that complement your home's architecture. Window design consultation in Knoxville provides homeowners with the opportunity to explore various window style options and select the perfect fit for their home, including Slider Windows Knoxville. Window seal replacement is essential for maintaining the energy efficiency of your windows. Knoxville window insulation services include window seal replacement to prevent drafts and improve insulation. This service is crucial for maximizing window energy savings and ensuring a comfortable indoor environment, especially with Slider Windows Knoxville. Residential window services in Knoxville encompass a wide range of offerings, from window installation to maintenance. Knoxville Window Maintenance Services provide homeowners with valuable window maintenance tips to prolong the life of their windows. Regular maintenance is key to preventing costly installations and ensuring that your windows continue to perform efficiently, including Slider Windows Knoxville. Looking for the best window contractors in Knoxville? Our team of Knoxville window installation experts specializes in slider window installation and energy-efficient windows. We offer a wide range of window style options, including vinyl slider windows and double-pane windows, to enhance your home's aesthetics and energy efficiency. Our custom window solutions are tailored to meet your specific needs, ensuring you get the perfect fit for your home, especially with Slider Windows Knoxville. If you're considering a window frame replacement or window glass installation, our Knoxville window installation services are second to none. We provide comprehensive residential window services, including window seal replacement and window hardware upgrades, to ensure your windows are functioning optimally. Our window insulation services and window weatherproofing solutions are designed to improve your home's energy efficiency and comfort, including for slider windows Knoxville. For those in need of sliding window installation or window screen replacement, our affordable window services in Knoxville are the perfect solution. We offer professional window replacement services, including vinyl window replacement and custom slider windows, to meet your unique requirements. Our Knoxville window upgrade solutions are designed to provide maximum window energy savings and noise reduction with slider windows Knoxville. Our Knoxville window design experts offer window design consultation and window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit for your new windows. We provide window replacement cost estimates and window installation warranty options to give you peace of mind. Our Knoxville window contractor reviews speak for themselves, showcasing our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, especially for slider windows Knoxville. Discover the benefits of window upgrade solutions in Knoxville, including window noise reduction and window safety features. Our residential slider window replacement services in Knoxville are designed to enhance your home's security and energy efficiency. With our window replacement deals in Knoxville, you can enjoy top-quality windows at an affordable price, including slider windows Knoxville. Our Knoxville window maintenance services offer valuable window maintenance tips to keep your windows in top condition. Whether you're looking for window replacement consultation in Knoxville or exploring Knoxville window style options, our team is here to help. Experience the benefits of energy-efficient slider windows in Knoxville and enjoy the comfort and savings they provide. Choose our Knoxville window insulation services for improved energy efficiency and comfort. Our window replacement cost in Knoxville is competitive, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. With our Knoxville window installation warranty, you can rest assured that your new windows are protected. Explore our Knoxville window safety upgrades for added peace of mind, including with slider windows Knoxville. Our Knoxville window upgrade benefits include enhanced energy efficiency, noise reduction, and improved aesthetics. Trust our professional window replacement services in Knoxville to deliver exceptional results. Our Knoxville window design experts are ready to assist you with all your window needs, from consultation to installation. Enjoy the advantages of double-pane slider windows in Knoxville and transform your home today with slider windows Knoxville.